my name is Hannah. I'm a sophomore and a communications major, and today I'll be taking you through our accepted students event, Experience Rollins. Experience Rollins is the event that made me decide to come here. Accepted students are brought on campus so they can meet current students and explore our campus. Now that my tour is over, I have about an hour until I get to go have lunch with some of the prospective students. I live in Pinehurst Cottage, which is home of the Pinehurst organization. Pinehurst is one of the many places I call home at Rollins. We focus on the global citizenship aspect of the Rollins mission statement and allow our members to host programs on campus for whatever they're passionate in. Thanks for joining me today. If you're an accepted student and you still haven't had a chance to tour Rollins, there are 6 more Experience Rollins days for you to come.